Now we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 137. Let me show the color halftone effect. Relatively easy. We go to filter, pixelate, and there it is. Menu has 5 ways of adjusting it, but it's actually just 2. Maximum radius is the most important. Let me just confirm at 8 pixels. And when I zoom in, you can see it gives you these circles with a size of 8 pixels. If I double click on the color halftone right here in the layers menu and I make it bigger, you can see how these circles become bigger. What you need as a size depends on the zoom level and obviously the image that you use. So the further you get away from the image, the bigger the circles can be, and you'll still be able to see the image behind it. Let me go back to 10. You cannot go lower than 4 or bigger than 127. So that's the limit for the size of the radius. And then the other adjustments are simply for the angle of these color circles. You can see there are multiple colors. And then there's basically a white one in behind. And the angle is simply determined by these 4 values. So it's a degree value, 0 to 360. Most important though is the radius. And this is how you can use the color halftone filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.